Sometimes life feels unfair. You wake up early, you work hard, you try your best, yet the world laughs at you. People with money move ahead, people with power get respect, and the quiet workers of life often remain unseen. Have you ever felt like that? Like no one understands your struggle, like your effort means nothing? This is the story of a man whose hard work looked useless for many years, until one silent truth changed everything. In a quiet village lived a poor farmer named Martin. He was 45 years old. His wife, Zora, was 30, a gentlewoman with strong hands and a kind heart. They had 2 children, Rina, a 9-year-old girl with bright eyes, Ronak, a playful 7-year-old boy. Their house was small, their clothes were simple, but inside that little home lived something rare, peace. Every evening they sat together, shared simple food, and thanked God for the day. They had little, yet they felt rich. The village people saw things differently. Most farmers had tractors. Many had bikes, some even had cars, but Martin had nothing. No tractor, no machine, only an old shovel and a simple bicycle that Zora once bought. People often laughed. Martin works harder than anyone, they said, but look at him, still poor. Poor man, all that work for nothing. Martin never answered. He only smiled quietly, because some dreams grow silently. Every morning, Martin woke at 4 a.m. While the whole village slept, he walked 1 kilometer to his field. In his hand was always the same tool, a shovel. After some hours, he returned home. He took Rina and Ronak to their private school on his bicycle. Then Martin and Zora carried food to the field and worked together. In the evening, Martin again rode the bicycle to bring the children home. The money from crops mostly went to the children's education. The rest was saved for food and for the next farming season. Life was simple, but Martin believed something deeply. Work done with faith is never wasted. Then something happened that no one expected. For many months, rain did not come. The land became dry. Fields turned brown. The river was far away. And soon the village farms stopped producing crops. Fear spread everywhere. One by one, people left the village. They ran toward the city, looking for survival. Only 3 families stayed. One of them was Martin's. Villagers who left said, "Martin is foolish. Without water, farming is impossible." But Martin did not leave. He only walked quietly to his field. Soon, something unbelievable happened. While every field stayed dry, Martin's crops were green, healthy, alive. People were shocked. They came back to see the miracle. There, beside Martin's field, they saw a large pond full of water. Someone asked in surprise, "Martin, where did this pond come from?" Martin smiled gently. "For 4 years," he said softly, "I woke up at 4 in the morning. While everyone slept, I dug this pond, a little every day. No machine, no money, only effort. The rain that once fell stayed here, and today, this water saves my farm." Silence filled the field. The same man people once laughed at now stood as their greatest teacher. That year, Martin's harvest was strong. His farm slowly grew bigger. His children studied in good schools. But the greatest change was not wealth, it was respect. The village finally understood something simple. Great futures are built by small, daily efforts. And wisdom is not loud. It works quietly until the right moment arrives. Small daily effort creates big results in the future. When the mind is used wisely today, it protects tomorrow. Sometimes God hides success inside ordinary work. and those who stay patient long enough are the ones who finally see the harvest. If this story touched your heart, stay with us on Eliza Bethell's Tales, where simple stories reveal powerful truths of life.